Dustless blasting, thinking of adding painting or at least prime. Yeah. Well, if you're getting anything down to metal, you're going to want to prime it. Absolutely, with some sort of epoxy primer. I am not a big fan of polyester filler and primer because it's just so thick. Really, really thick. It's up to you. I would definitely recommend the 2.0 tip if you're spraying that, even a 2.2. Okay, it's very, very thick stuff, and you got to make sure you clean out your gun very well after using it, because if you let that thing dry in your gun and it gets caked up, you could say goodbye to the gun because you ain't going to get that clean. Okay, it'll ruin your gun. And a lot of people, a lot of newbies, they ruin their guns because they don't clean their guns properly. That's one of the main things. You know, when you're using a spray gun, you got to make sure you clean it after you use it. A lot of guys, they don't clean it. They let it sit. Ruins the gun, period. We're using polyester primer because you're working with fiberglass. Yep. Okay, I get it. You need more of a fill when doing fiberglass. Yep, you could use polyester. But you could also glaze as well, you know, and put a thick 2K filler primer. I've done a lot of fiberglass work with regular 2K filler primer and you know, thin putty. You gonna wait to show it until the videos are done, or can we get a sneak peek? Yeah, the sneak peeks are pretty much, it was on the last video, bro. It was on the last video. Because we started releasing videos like a week and a half ago, and the second segment's coming out this week. But the van is complete. And in the intro video, we did have a flash of the completed van. And it's actually outside right here. I just started unloading it. Let me actually go out there and show it to you. Aloha, Tony from Reno. I had a second cousin that used to live in Reno. I've been there a few times. Oh, let me shut this vent. Let me shut these doors so you guys can take a look at it. It's dirty. I haven't washed it since I painted it. But this is what it looks like. So we did the Rhino liner on the front grille here. Glossed out bumpers. Again, I haven't washed it for 3 weeks since I painted it. It's just been sitting outside. But we did a little stripe along the front. We painted the rims. We did that top part. Let me head back here so you guys get a better look at it. So that's what the van looks like. And you guys are going to get this whole thing step by step and the Good Van Project website. It's a free VIP course that I'm putting out there for anybody who wants it, 100% free. You get to create your own members area, log in, password, everything's going to be in there for you step by step. We also included the live streams. So you guys can have like a whole backup of the live streams that we did, because I did do live streaming on it. And you could see my dog. She's so used to jumping in, and she's already like scratching the back door to jump in, to get in the van. Whatever. It's a work van. Whatever. But there it is. Yep. Everybody's blown away. You know, they're always blown away. Friends, family, neighbors, all that. You know, they see this and they're like, whoa, did you do that? I'm like, yeah, I did it at home. So yeah, guys, that's the van. Again, we're going to have the second segment released this week within the next couple of days. I'm working on it today. If I can wrap it up today, tomorrow, I could get it out as soon as tomorrow, at the latest on Wednesday. painted your good van project, how big of a tent were you planning to get? Well, I was working under a 10 by 20, but it started getting super windy here. And like the tent was ready to blow away. I had rocks on all the corners, like holding it down, those big Hawaiian rocks under the tree there. So, love your Crypto Waters question. I lost some money and I lost a lot on crypto in the past 6 months. Currently have Cosmos. I have Cosmos, Atom, Shiba. I have Shiba. I have a little bit of Stellar. Dogecoin, I have some. Any promising crypto to look out in the near future? Yes, absolutely. And this is why you're going to want to join me in my next live event that I'm going to be hosting in the next 2-3 weeks. Um, Initially, first, I'm just going to offer it to my automotive audience. All of you guys are going to get the update to join me live on a Zoom call. We're going to be doing a whole presentation on crypto. And there's this one coin that there's so much conviction in. It's like getting into Bitcoin when Bitcoin was at $1. And oh my God, it's going to be so huge. And I want to get as many people as I can into it. But, you know, some people don't take action. So, you know, I'll put the info out there. If you guys want me to help and coach you and figure out how to get into it safely without losing a lot of your money and all that, then you really might want to attend this event that I'm going to be doing in the next couple weeks. It's going to happen, I would say, in 3 weeks from now. So maybe the 3rd week of June. It's going to be a 1-day event, maybe 2-3 hours of crypto talk. And then there's going to be some mentoring if you guys want to onboard with me and continue. I'm building out my new channel. I flip NFTs pretty much every day. So I make extra Ethereums every time I flip things. So I'm into crypto a lot. I've been in it since 2017. Something, give us for who has no clue a basic explanation on your crypto. So Chris, if you want to attend the live event, I'm actually going to be doing a live event in the next 3 weeks. I'm thinking of launching it just to my automotive guys, just to you guys and all the other people on my list initially. You know, if we can get 30, 40 guys on the call, I think that'll be cool. More the better. But this, you know, because it'll be more interaction for us to talk about it and also hear feedback from you guys. So it's going to be a fun little event, and I wish you guys can tune on with me. It's going to be in probably 3 weeks. I'll send you guys a Zoom registration link, and you guys are going to be able to talk to me. We'll do Q&A at the end, but then I'll be able to read your text. In Yokoda Air Force Base, Japan, wondering if there are any reliable Japanese-made paint products, paint guns that they can take advantage of. Well, if you're in Japan, you might as well just get yourself an Iwata spray guns. Those are like Japan's good spray guns, and I have quite a few of them. But as of now, I use the Atom spray guns. So you're losing money with crypto. When did you get into crypto? Did you pretty much buy at the top 6 months ago, and then you're riding everything down now? Actually, now is the time to be buying coins. When there's panic and blood in the streets and everybody's selling and everybody's fearful, that's the time you should be buying. And I've been buying a lot of crypto. Not fully all in, just putting good chunks in and stacking up on high conviction coins because the market could go lower. We could see 12,000 Bitcoin again. We could see. I'm not sure, but that's what everybody's saying. But who knows? And I will talk to you guys later. Thanks for tuning in. Peace.